Sum number 2. Find the common factors of subdivision A 4, 8 and 12. So we have to write the common factors for 4. We have to write the factors for 4, 8, after that 12, and then we have to write the common factors. So first of all, let us write the factors for 4. 1 4s are and then 2 2s are. So the factors for the number 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And now we have to write the factor for 8. So what are the factors for 8? 1 and 8, that is 1 8s are, and then 2 4s are. So the factors for 8 will be the factors for 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. And now we have to write the factors for 12. So 12, 1 12s are 12, and then 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. And similarly 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So the factors for 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now we have to write the common factors. So what are the common factors of 4, 8 and 12? 1 is presented and 2 is presented, then 4 is presented. So therefore the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors for these numbers.
B 5, 15 and 25. Now we have to write the factors of 5. Factors of solution. Factors of 5 are, what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. And now we have to write the factors of 15. So what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, that is, if you have doubt, you can write like this: 1 15s are, and similarly 15 1s are, 3 5s are, 5 3s are. So 1, 3, 5, 15. Now we have to, and then after that 25 is there. The factors of 25 are, take the number 25, find out the factors. 1 25s are, and similarly 25 1s are, 5 5s are 25. So 1, 5, 25. Now in these three cases, what is a common number? What is a common factor? 1 is presented everywhere, 5 is presented everywhere. Therefore the common factors are, 1, 5. The common factors are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Find first 3 common multiples of subdivision A 6 and 8. So we have to write the common multiples, first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. For that we have to find out the multiples of 6. After that we have to write the multiples of 8, and then we have to find the common multiples. Okay, first என்ன பண்ணனும், 6 tables எழுதினோம். அதாவது 6 tables ஓட elements 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 னு இருக்குலையா. சோ அது கம்ப்ளீட்டா எழுதினோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து 8 tables ஃபுல்லாவே எழுதினோம். அது ரெண்டுத்துல எது காமனா இருக்கோ அதை நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணனும். Now first of all, let us write the multiples of 6. So what are the multiples of 6? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and then 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, and so on. It goes on. Now we have to write the multiples of 8. Are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 fours are 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. Okay. And now we have to find the common multiples. Common multiples. So what are the common multiples of 6 and 8? 24 is presented in both the cases, and then 48 is presented, and then 72 is presented. We needed 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples. So the answer is 24, 48 and then 72. So this is the answer for subdivision A. So 6 tables full எழுதிட்டோம், 8 tables full-ஆவே எழுதிட்டோம். ரெண்டுத்துல என்ன நம்பர்ஸ் காமனா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்றோம். 24 ரெண்டு இடத்துலையும் present ஆயிருக்கு, 48 present ஆயிருக்கு, and then 72 present ஆயிருக்கு. So அதை தான் நம்ம ஆன்சரா எழுதிட்டோம். Subdivision B. The question is 12 and 18. 12 and 18. So first of all, let us write the multiples of 12. So multiples of 12 are, ones are 12, 12, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144 and so on. I'm just writing the 12 tables. Now we have to write the multiples of 18. So what are the multiples of 18? 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144 and so on. It goes on. Now we have to find the common multiples. So common multiples are, so what are the common multiples? 36 is presented in both the cases. 72 is presented in both the cases. 108 is presented in both the cases. So 36, 72, 108. So this is the answer for third question, second subdivision. Fourth question, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So for this, we have to write the multiples of 3 first. After that, we have to write the multiples of 4 and then we have to write the common multiples less than 100. Okay. So first of all, let us write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. Because less than 100, no, I think it is enough to write up to 99. Okay. Now we have to write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, and then 100, and so on. Now we have to find the common multiples of 3. So what are the numbers? I think 12 is present in both the cases. 12, after that 24, and then 36, and then 48, 60 is present in both the cases, 72, and then 84, and then 96. Okay, you can see the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, isn't it? So 3க்கும் 4க்கும் காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது நமக்கு கிடைச்ச எல்லா ஆன்சர்ஸும் 12 டேபிள்ஸில் மல்டிப்ளை ஆகிற மாதிரி வந்திருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா. அது வந்து நீங்கள் நோட் பண்ண வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயம். The multiples, the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. So this is the answer for fourth question. So fourth question la enna pannirkom, first multiples of 3 எழுதிருக்கோம், next multiples of 4 எழுதிருக்கோம், அதுக்கு அடுத்தது காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் காமனாக என்னென்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்றத நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இதில் ஒரு விஷயம் நோட் பண்ண வேண்டியது என்ன, காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் 3 and 4 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே 12 டேபிள்ஸ்லாவே நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதாவது 3 4s are 12 இல்லையா, ஸோ அதனால 12 டேபிள்ஸாவே நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ஸோ அது ஒரு நோட் பண்ண வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயம். So this is answer for fourth question. Now moving towards the fifth question. Sum number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? First subdivision 18 and 35. So we have to find which of the number are co-prime. So what do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime is nothing but if we consider two numbers, and if these two numbers have the number 1 as a common factor, then we say that the two numbers are co-prime. So for example, if you consider the number 2 and consider the number 5. So 2 ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க, 5 ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்போ இதோட ஃபேக்டர் என்னென்னு பாருங்க. 1 2s are 2. இதோட ஃபேக்டர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5 1s are 5, இல்லைன்னா 1 5s are 5, எப்படி வேணா நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ ஓவராலாக இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வந்து என்னென்ன 1 2, இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் என்ன 1 5. ஸோ காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது 1 1. ஸோ ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 1. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து கோப்ரைம். அப்போ காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 1 இருந்ததுன்னா we say that the two numbers are co-prime. இப்போ இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் எடுத்துக்கிறேன், 2 4 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ இப்போ இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வந்து 1 2, இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் 1 2. இப்போ இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 2 4. இப்போ இங்கே காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்த்தோன்னா 1 இருக்கு, ரெண்டுத்துலையுமே 1% இருக்கு, 2% இருக்கு. பட் திஸ் இஸ் நாட் கோப்ரைம். ஸோ மோர் தென் 1 ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா, அதாவது மோர் தென் 1 ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் காமனாக இருந்ததுன்னா அது கோப்ரைம் கிடையாது. இது கோப்ரைம். 2 and 5 are coprime, but 2 and 4 is not coprime. Okay, so coprime if the two numbers have the common factor to be the number 1, we say that the two numbers are co-prime. So 1 மட்டும்தான் ஃபேக்டரா இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ 1 வந்து ஃபேக்டரா இருந்ததுன்னா, காமன் ஃபேக்டரா ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இருந்ததுன்னா, we say that அந்த டூ நம்பர்ஸும் வந்து co-prime அப்படின்னு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ கம்மிங் பேக் டு த sum. First one, let us find the factors of 18. Okay. So first of all, the factors of 18 are, the factors of 18 are 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are, 3 6 are, and similarly 6 3s are, 9 2s are, 18 1s are. So let us write down all the numbers. 1 2 3 6 9 18. Now we have to write the factors of 35. Factors of 35 are, so let us write the factors of 35. 1 35s are, 5 7s are, and similarly 7 5s are. So 1 5 7 35. Now check the common factors. So what are the common factors? 1 is common factor, then any other thing? No. So we have the number 1 to be the common factor for both the numbers 18 and 35. Therefore we say that 18 and 35 are co-prime. Since 18 and 35 have only 1 as a common factor, they are co-prime.
Next, second subdivision 15 and 37. First of all, let us consider the number 15. We have to write the factors. 1 15s are, and then 3 5s are. Similarly 5 3s are and 15 1s are. So let us write down the factors of 15. The factors of, that is the factors for 15 are 1 3 5 15. Now we have to write the factors for 37. Actually 37 is a prime number. So what do you mean by prime number? The number is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called as prime number. 37, since 37 is a prime number, the factors for 37 will be 1 and 37 alone. So 1 and 37. Now let us write the factors for 37. The factors for 37 are 1 and 37. Now let us write the common factors. So what is the common factors? Common factors are, so what are the common factors? Here 1 is a common factor. So we are having the common factor to be 1. So we call the 15 and 37 to be as a co-prime. So நமக்கு common factor வந்து ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே வந்து 1 தான் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So அதனால நம்ம என்னன்னு கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவோம்? 15 உம் 37 உம் co-prime நம்ம கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? So common factor 1 கிடைச்சிருக்கதால 15 and 37 co-prime. Co-prime numbers. The next subdivision C. 30 and 415. So first of all, let us consider the number 30. Let us write down the factors for 30. 1 30s are, and then 2 15s are, 3 10s are, and then 5 6 are. So 6 into 5 and 5 6 are. So 10 3s are, 15 2s are, 30 1s are. That is all. That is vice versa. So now let us write the factors for 30. So what are the factors for 30? So the factors for 30 are, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. 15 and then 30. Now we have to find the common factor for 415. So 415. So 1 into 415, and similarly 415 into 1, and then 5 tables. In 5, because it is ending with 5, no, so we can choose 5 tables. 5 into 83 gives 415. Then it won't be divisible by any other tables. So let us write the factors. The factors for the factors of 415 are 1, 5, 83, 415. Now we have to write the common factor. So what are the common factor here? So common factor will be, I think, only 1, isn't it? 1 is the 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factor. So definitely 30 and 415 is not co-prime number. So 1, 5 நமக்கு ரெண்டு common factors கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால் இது co-prime கிடையாது. ஸோ 1 மட்டும் கிடைச்சதுன்னா அது co-prime. ஆனால் இங்கே 1 other than the number 1. ஸோ இன்னொரு நம்பரும் கிடைச்சிருக்கிறதால 30 and 415 not co-prime னு conclude பண்ணுறோம். So they are not co-prime numbers. Next, subdivision D, 17 and 68. So first let us find the factors for 17. Actually 17 is a co-prime, 17 is a prime number. So the factors for 17 will be 1 and 17. So that prime numbers na enna theriyum illaya. So prime numbers na the number 1 alayum 7 adhe number alayum da divide agum. So 17 prime numberன்றதால 1 tables and 17 tables ஆல மட்டும் தான் அது வந்து போகும். The next 68. So 168s are, and then 234s are, and then 4 into 17. 4 17s are 68. So let us write down the factors of 68 and 17. So first factors of 17. So factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Now the factors for 68. So the factors for 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Now let us write the common factors. So what are the common factors here? Common factors. So common factor is 1 and 17. So we are having the common factor to be as 1 and 17. So we conclude that 17 and 68 are not co-prime numbers. So 17 and 68 co-prime கிடையாதுன்னு சொல்றோம். ஏன்னா நமக்கு common factors வந்து ரெண்டு நம்பர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு, 1 and 17 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So they are not co-prime number. So 17 and 68 are not co-prime numbers. Next, subdivision E, 216 and 215. So first of all, let us find the factors for 216. 1 into 216, and then with two tables. 2 into 108, and then 3 into 72. 3 into 72, and then with 4 tables. 4 into 54, then with 6 tables. 6 into 36, and then with 8 tables. 8 into 27, 8 into 27, then 9 tables. 9 into 24, 9 into 24. After that with 12 tables, 12 into 18. Now let us write down all the factors. Okay, so now we have to find the factors for 215. So 1 into 215, and then 5 into 43. Now let us write the factors for both the numbers. So the factors for 216, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, and then 18, 24, 27, 36, 27, then 36, and then 54, 72, 108, and 216. Now we have to write the factors for 215. The factors for 215 are, the factors for the number 215 are 1, 5, 43, and then 215. Now what are the common factors? So the common factors are, so here when we see the common factor is, I think, only 1, isn't it? Yes, 1. The common factor is 1. So we say that 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers. So இங்கே நமக்கு common factor 1 மட்டும் கிடைச்சிருக்கிறதால நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸும் co-prime numbersனு conclude பண்ணுவோம். So 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers. The next subdivision F, 81 and 16. So first consider the number 81. Let us list down the factors for 81. 1 into 81 and then 3 into 27 and then with 9 tables. 9 nines are 81. So 9 into 9. Now we have to write the factors for 16. So 16, 1 16s are and then 2 8s are and then 4 4s are 16. So let us write down the factors for 81. The factors for the number 81 is, the factors for the number 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. And now the factors for the number 16 are, the factors for 16 are 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now let us write down the common factors. So what are the common factors? Common factors are 1, I think only 1, isn't it? Yes, 1 is a common factor. 1 is a common factor. So we conclude that 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers. So நமக்கு common factor 1 கிடைச்சிருக்கிறதால இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸும் அதாவது 81 16 co-prime நம்ம conclude பண்ணுறோம். Therefore they are co-prime numbers. The next sum number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which number will that number be always divisible? Let us consider a number x. So this number is divisible by both 5 and 12. So the question is, by which number this particular x is always divisible? So here, what will be the answer? Can you guess? A number that should be divisible by both 5 and 12. So 5 into 12, this gives 60. So the answer is 60. So 60 is the number that will makes the number, that will make x value to be divisible. Okay. So the answer is 60. So 5 into 12 gives 60. So this is the answer for sum number 6. Next, sum number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By which other numbers will that number is divisible? So you just consider a number x. So this number x is divisible by 12. So the question is, what are the other numbers the particular x will be divided? Okay. So 12 number divide பண்ணுது. So other numbers என்னென்னலாம் மீதி numbers அந்த x divide பண்ணுது அப்படின்றது தான் question. So for that, let us find the factors for 12. 1 into 12 and then 2 into 6 and then 3 into 4. That's it, isn't it? So let us write down the factors for 12. So the factors for 12 are, the factors for 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So already x is divided by 12. So what are the other numbers? The other numbers which is dividing 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, already 12 is dividing. So we just write the other numbers. So the other numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 12 தவிர மீதி இருக்கிற numbers எல்லாமே எழுதிடுறோம்.